I love to exaggerate. I feel like it makes life fun.
But this is for real heavy.
That's crazy. My muscles should have popped out. And they said I can't do nothing crazy for 125 miles.
Why?
Because of the new brakes and rotors.
How many miles is it been?
Enough.
Alright, we made it. We're here. I kind of messed up. On the flight, I brought the Vision Pro, but I forgot the battery bank. So, the one time I pull it off the shelf out of the month to use it, I can't use it. Alright, we're staying at the Executive Hotel. Not a bad setup. We got a little kitchenette, a little living room area to kind of work. This is the reason why. This is why I bring the Vision Pro. You see that? Who's trying to watch TV on that? Bruh. So after a brief Uber ride, we ended up at Everything Electric. Now this was a 3-day event happening here at the Vancouver Convention Center. Now the main reason I was here was to showcase ENVO.
I think we have the solution, and that solution is a modular platform that we call it UPT, Utility Personal Transporter.
So the exciting concept with ENVO is that all these various utility vehicles start with the same base frame, same motor, battery, modular components that you're able to assemble like Legos in a sense, that you can then build different types of vehicles that can meet niche situations that require, specific utility. Yeah, it might need to be tightened up a little bit.
Like one of when like.
So while I did spend a lot of time with the ENVO team, I did get some time to check out everything else, like this concept car here from Polestar. There was, the whole entire bottom level was packed with EVs, some ranging from concepts like earlier to commonly seen vehicles with new models, sprinkled in here and there. So Rivian had their R3 on display here. And this thing was actually really compact and sleek. I do like the design aesthetic right here on this rear bar. That was very cool. GM and Cadillac had vehicles on display. I do like the Corvette E-Ray. This Hummer EV was probably the best colorway in my opinion. Now, Chevy had their electric RST pickup here. This thing was actually very surprising. I like the light strip across the top, the pass-through storage, and that giant screen up front. This thing is very solid. Now, the Cybertruck was there. This little thing is a joke. This little thing.
So you can take it off.
So the last thing I kind of got to check out was the Volkswagen Buzz. Now this is just the electric updated version of the throwback classic, the Volkswagen Bus that everyone remembers seeing. So I didn't get a chance to test drive any of the vehicles there, but once things started to die down a bit, we were able to take the ENVO UPT out and take it for a little spin. Give her hell. So even though I wasn't able to experience these at 100% power for obvious safety reasons, it was still nice to be able to zip around, and it was still very impressive. Now the last thing I wanted to do was to check out these electric unicycles. I'd seen guys zipping around on these all day and I had to try it for myself. Now this black one, could not get the hang of, wasn't happening until he brought out what he called Little Marshmallow. Now this little one, this one wasn't bad. I got the hang of it pretty quick. fun, but I can feel it.